अस्सलाम वालेकुम जनाब, कैसे हैं आप लोग। और मैं अपने एयर कनाडा के ऑफ़िस से आप लोग खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। एयर कनाडा का ऑफ़िस कराची पाकिस्तान। ये जनाब आप देख रहे हैं मेरे पीछे की बैकग्राउंड में हमने फ्रेम लगवाया है कनाडा का। और आज हमारे पास एक नई चीज़ आई है और वो है एयर कनाडा का क्या फॉर आवर ऑफिस। ये इसको मैं अनबॉक्स कर रहा हूँ। That's basically Air Canada's aircraft for our office, Karachi office, and let me just unbox it. So that is Boeing 787-9. That's the model, scale 1 double static 200. Oh wow. That is basically the plane is with me, and let's see, we have double so see this on the way, the radars, and then wings, flaps. This is our aircraft, 787 Dreamliner. So I have to fix this. Let's see this aircraft, so beautiful, white color. So I'm attaching this craft. Okay, that's what this is. So overall aircraft is almost ready, and last thing is remaining to see how to set it on the frame, and see this. So we have this like this. Got it. And then we have this is that is basically it's frame. This is looking great on my table. Thank you Air Canada for the aircraft.